Hello guys, review ZTE Blade A75. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Cost $100 this device, and open box and look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, protected film for display, and key for SIM slot, adapter for charging, and Type-C cable. Very good completion. We have all what I need. Okay. Turn on device. On this side power button and warm buttons. On the back side double camera. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Display we have 6.75 inch. This IPS display, HD resolution. Open tests. Open Geekbench 6. We have Android 14 on this device. And CPU we have Unisoc Spreadtrum, octa-core, 4+4 cores, and GPU PowerVR. Look results. Okay, look onto the benchmark results. Until the benchmark doesn't work. PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level, only on the low graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.